Hello guys, welcome to Motorbeam. You can see three cars from Citroen, all the three, C3, Aircross as well as Basalt in the dark edition shade. सब लोग को dark edition करना ही है, and all the three are standing right over here. Changes, it's dark in color. That's the basic change. Dark edition badges added to all of the cars. But look at the gloss finish over here. This dark edition actually looks very shiny. सबसे बड़ा change at the front. You can see a logo of the Citroen finish in black over here. Dual finish for the bumpers, and the tires alloys remain the same, but the major change that happens is actually inside. Let's get in. You can get soft touch on the door handles. You can get soft touch over here next to the AC vents, and red stitching being added over here. Leatherette upholstery with red stitching again down and up with dark edition badging, dual tone finish, and यहाँ पे illumination आ गया है. Illumination नहीं, basically ambient lighting has been added to this car. An illuminated Citroen side seal has been added to this car as well. Side door cuffing over here has been added with a finish of a dark chrome. Pricing for this car is 14.27 for the top end automatic, but if you want the manual, you'll get it at 13.13 lakhs ex showroom. This is available only in the top end trim, so the dark shade, dark side, or you can say the dark edition is there only in the top end. Let's look at the C3 now. For the C3 as well, you can get the same set of changes, but the logo is a little bit different. Logo black nahi hai, it is finished in dark chrome over here, so that is definitely different. This one also gets the same set of colors, same dark badging. Interior is almost the same, like the same set of interior leatherette has been added. Sill has been added over here, soft touch on the door, soft touch on the dashboard as well with red stitching, and red ambient lighting has been added. But the major change over here is inside, which is the headrest, adjustable headrest that has been added inside the car, and that is something that is to be appreciated, this one. And this one also gets a bigger fuel tank of 45 liters from 30, which is again really appreciative. You can get this dark edition only in the top end variant. Like in top end variant maybe 3 variations here. There is a 1.2 NA which starts at 8,40,000 ex showroom. There is a turbo which is turbo manual which is 9,60,000, and there is turbo automatic, this is a shine variant which is at 10,20,000 ex showroom. Dark edition अच्छा लग रहा है नहीं लग रहा है आप बताओ comment section में. We'll move to the Basalt, which is their coupe SUV. The coupe SUV design is something that I've been liking quite a bit, and same thing is over here, which is quite nice. Dark edition badging, same set over here, but यहाँ पे chrome, जो dark chrome है वो यहाँ पे कहीं पे नहीं मिलता, but you get a black logo which is up front, and this looks quite decent. However, changes inside are exactly the same. The same set of leatherette has been used inside. If you notice, the same set of finish, the same set of dark edition badges, and the same sill has been added over here. Soft touches on the door are added, and they're quite nice. Same set of soft touches over here with red stitching, and the illumination is in white color, which is again a little bit different. For the rear, however, I have my favorite party trick for the for the Basalt, not the Aircross, which is the seat adjustable for the under thigh support. ये इसका party trick है, and ये सबसे best है. In addition to that, if you are a passenger behind, the wing address over here will always come in handy if you want to take a nap. Dark chrome badging has been continued at the back over here, which looks quite decent, and just like the other two, the C3 and the Aircross, this one comes only in the top trim, the dark edition. Pricing starts at 12,80,000 for the manual and 14.10 lakhs ex showroom for the automatic. What do you think of these dark editions? Is it a trend that has picked up like crazy? Will you be interested in getting Citroens in the dark edition? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.